The rain is here. Let me show you what we found. Client comes in with a 2-year-old trailer for a free roof inspection because it's starting to pour. Upon inspection, we revealed where the roof membrane is actually shrinking up and coming out from under the rail, which could cause, as you can imagine, serious water damage. In not only one spot, but two. So nothing is routine. This is only 2 years old. The roof is in perfect condition otherwise, but thank God they came in for their free roof inspection. So the good news for these clients, this roof membrane carries a 15-year manufacturer warranty, and we're going to work closely with that manufacturer to make sure we can get this fixed at no cost to the client. They got in on time. Will you be so lucky? Call for your free roof inspection. Let's give you an honest evaluation of how you're looking before the rain destroys your RV. Call us, 209-404-2200, extension 103. It only takes a matter of minutes. We'll give you an honest evaluation and you'll be on your way. Thank you.